เราก็มาอยู่กันที่ Britannica International School นะครับโรงเรียนของฟ้าใสวันนี้ก็จะมีกิจกรรมของโรงเรียนนะครับเราจะเข้าประตูโรงเรียนกันนะครับอันนี้ก็คือห้องของฟ้าใสนะครับเดี๋ยวเราก็จะไปห้อง Assembly กันแล้วก็เดินไปไม่รู้ว่ามันคือห้องไหน
Mr. Husband for our Poetry Week assembly.
Right, good morning everybody.
Good morning, Mr.
Husband. So, this week has been Poetry Week. Okay, so all throughout the school you've been reading, writing and performing poems. Okay, homework, yeah, sorry our clicker is broken. Our first ones are year 1 and they're doing Little Rabbit Booth. Look at this. Okay, so year 1.
Imagine if your precious nose was sandwiched in between your toes. That clearly would not be a treat, for you'd be forced to smell your feet. Your nose would be a source of dread, where it attached above your head. It soon would drive you to despair, forever tickled by your hair.
Within your ear, your nose will be an absolute catastrophe. For when you're obliged to sneeze, your brain would rattle from the breeze. Your nose, instead, through faith and faith, remains between your eyes and chin, not pasted on some other place. Be glad your nose is on your face. I wouldn't care if he was big, you were tiny, or his skin was rough and tough, super smooth or shiny. His head could be bald or covered up with hair, or his face was all round, triangular or square. He could be black or white, or
Right. It is now.
Our Grandma Kissed the Pumpkin by Darren Sardelli. Our Grandma kissed a pumpkin on a Friday afternoon.
She also kissed a crayon
And a giant red balloon.
I saw her kiss a chicken.
The Blitz. Buildings fainting in despair, like a soldier longing for air. People's homes, movies with decks happy. The colliding winds, flames, flames fragments in Things leading us making off, millions attacked, savages fire. London on fire, buildings collapsed and compressing relaxed. Civilians screamed, the shuttering houses crushed. There shall not be a breeze, it was all war. London, starving and frail, humans pressing on the rails. The country soul praised the player, sobbing heart and slowly beats. Struggling to get victory, but it's theirs. London is done. Bombs whistle like the opposite of a crystal. Thousands of guns hitting tiny villages that will murder, and they don't care and they surrender. Newborn baby away from the loudness. The hurt hope painfully collapsing like a soldier in the battle as rats roll.
The language we made, guys. Very, very good. And 6 friends, yes?
So first of all, we have to say the announcements. Who are going to perform that one? Siren screams, warning people. The prediction is true. They're coming through. The siren commanding the people to shelter. The pregnant plane flew over the houses. The savage bombs jumped from the planes. The people would see a black silhouette over the plain. In the paralyzed sky turned dark as death. The fierce fire blazed and burned the city. The fire screaming and drowning people alive. In the tiring morning, people come out to see roads and dust all over the place. They are counting dead and hoping for people to survive. The Blitz. The insane bombs were careless. Innocent people were powerless.
The evil bombs are rapidly driving like rain. War-zone countries are nervous because people are going through pain.
In horrified countries, people died. The children were as scared as rabbits and helpless like slaves. That is why they all cried.
The screaming siren finally goes off because of the black smoke. Everyone starts to cough.
The terrifying sky was as orange as fire.
Everyone was trying to find their people that they admire.
Thank you. What are your last words? Sirens start screeching, hearts overbeating, while children crying, brave fathers dying. Bang, bang, boom went the guns. Shelters desperately waiting, the sky begins grating, metal birds gliding, cowardly hiding. Bang, bang, boom went the guns. Like newborn babies crying, devilish bombs are flying, pregnant planes zooming, explosions destructively booming. Bang, bang, boom went the guns. Furious fires burning like human flesh fuming, dancing majestically through the city. This is a massive pity. Bang, bang, boom.
Bomb diving proudly through the sky. Explosion like song the phoenix bird.
Like a swarm of deadly. Wait, can we say it again?
Bomb diving proudly through the sky. Explosion like song the phoenix bird.
Like a swarm of deadly beasts, silhouettes of planes carrying pain, disaster, death inside.
Sky turned red and orange like a big fire planet. The poor shelter has been escaped with black rain.
Ash resting on the earth after the fire.
People hope that home was dear, looking forward in despair.
Everybody remembers this. The Blitz. The sudden siren crying made us think of aircraft firing. As they warned us in fear, bombers were getting ready to stalk us like deer. The sky all hopeless made us think of being helpless. As the bombs aggressively died like a careless wrecking ball, all the dead lie on the street. As we discovered, there was in tears.
Wonderful performances. Just an amazing job in It says it goes straight. Or should I go?
Good morning, dear primary. This is our first assembly. So do not fear, the house captains are here. And don't forget to keep on working for those houseboys. And our autographs. See you next time.
ตอนนี้นะครับกิจกรรมของเด็กๆก็จบแล้วนะครับแล้วก็กลับบ้านกันอันนี้ก็เป็นบรรยากาศของห้องเรียนนะครับภายในโรงเรียน ก็จะมีหลายชั้นมากเมื่อกี้ก็จะเป็นห้อง Assembly นะครับนี่ก็จะเป็นรูปของป้าใสนะครับข้างบนก็จะเป็นรูปของน้องฟ้าอันนี้ติดอยู่ที่บอร์ดของโรงเรียนนะครับก็จะมีรูปของเยอะมากเกือบทุกคนเลยก็เดินออกมานอกโรงเรียนนะครับ thank you
Thank you
ดู thank you ที่ตู้ยามก็ไม่รู้กิจกรรมจบแล้ว ก็เดินครับถ่ายแล้วครับเราก็เดินครับกลับครับ